Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable HTTPS protocol in Joomla. So if you want to force HTTPS on your website, you need to enable one special option. It is really hard to find this option, so I will show you how to do it. So first you need to log into administrator panel of Joomla in your website. After that you need to go to system settings. Here you will find a lot of really useful settings, but we are interested in to go to global configuration. And here we have a lot of really useful settings, but we need to go to server settings. We need to open this tab. And then on server options, you have something like force HTTPS. On default, it is set to none, so we need to change this option and we need to select here entire site. After that, we need to click save button. And from this moment, HTTPS protocol will be successfully forced. So now I recommend you to type your domain address and check that it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in the comment if it's a problem.